Hello everyone. Today let's make green chicken fry. This recipe is so bomb and so easy. Comes together in no time, needs very few ingredients, no chopping, and is absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get cooking. In a bowl, I have about 600 grams of chicken thighs, coriander leaves chopped, pudhina chopped, 1 tablespoon gram flour or chickpea flour, about 6 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger, 2 green chillis, 1 tablespoon of hung curd, little garam masala, pepper powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, and dried fenugreek leaves. In a blender, add in the ginger, garlic, green chillis, coriander leaves, pudhina, along with the gram flour, and some hung curd. Add in all the spices. You can add a few extra chilies if you like it spicier than this. Add some salt. Do not add water to this, but blend it into a smooth paste-like consistency. Add this paste to the chicken and squeeze half a lime in it. Make sure you don't leave any seeds behind. Mix them well and let it sit for at least 30 minutes or overnight. In a pan, heat some oil and lay in the chicken pieces one by one. You could air fry them at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes and flip over and cook for another 2-3 minutes. Now flip them and cook them on the other side. Fry them all until they are brown. And that's literally it. Your chicken fry is ready. This is absolutely delicious with some rice, or sometimes I just have this for dinner and I go to bed. It's that good. Please try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.